In a letter dated September 29, 2025, to the Chief Justice, the family expressed frustration that the ruling in Kazinda's Supreme Court appeal has not been delivered. 5 years since the appeal was lodged by the Attorney General, yet he, Kazinda, claims to have benefited from a constitutional court judgment that discharged him from prison. The family, which includes Kazinda's 82-year-old mother, Teopista Namfuka, his children and nephews, are now questioning what will happen to Kazinda if the Chief Justice, who was the head of the panel that had this appeal, retires. Effort to enhance judicial accountability. The Uganda Law Society, during its live public engagement today, where the family has also been present, has taken up Geoffrey Kazinda's petition for a follow-up.
The Chief Justice is going for the retirement soon. So if at all he retires before this matter is being disposed of, it might bring us to the second reconstitution of this matter, and that will be the 5th time it's being heard. So I don't know how we can call that, but for me it's like a double jeopardy in a double jeopardy.
The family representatives still remain hopeful despite the setbacks and believe that once the Supreme Court delivers its ruling, justice will prevail and the family will finally find relief.
We are requesting the Law Society with the management of Radical NUB to see that you add on your voice, whether through the statement or any instrument that you can use to see that you intervene in this matter to see that it's being disposed of before the retirement of Chief Justice.
The case before the Supreme Court seeks to overturn a constitutional court ruling that nullified all trials against Kazinda and ordered his release in 2020. The Attorney General secured an injunction stating the constitutional court decision, a move that has allowed the Inspector General of Government IGG to continue prosecuting Kazinda.
Our client, Geoffrey Kazinda's matter was coexisted with other matters of Hassan Basajabalaba Kabaziruka on the same cause list. This year, we've seen 2 of those matters being done away with. Our client's matter is still pending. And then our clients are also questioning with the Chief Justice soon retiring and the matter facing a possibility of being reconstituted, which fate it had in 2021. When is Geoffrey Kazinda ever going to know which crimes he's facing? When is the judiciary or the Supreme Court, which is the high court, the highest court in this country, when is the court ever going to come out and declare a decision that either Kazinda is guilty or is convicted of all the crimes he's being charged of or not?
Kazinda is currently serving a 25-year sentence at Luzira prison on charges of illicit enrichment, charges his family believes would have no legal basis if the Supreme Court rules in his favor. Meanwhile, in the same regard, NUP made a call to the ULS to assist in the legal representation of their 150 members who have been arrested so far. According to the NUP Secretary General, David Lewis Rubongoya, the group comprising supporters arrested from Lira and Barara has been distributed to various courts, including Abim, Mobende and Chiruhura. Rubongoya has then tasked every lawyer and the general public to rise up and put a stop to electoral violence, which he says is a continuation from 2020 when more than 40,000 supporters of NUP were arrested, 18 of whom are still missing to date.
Our comrades, Alex Waisa Mufumbido, now Olivia Lutaya, Sauda and others are in detention for apparently conducting military drills. But all of you saw recently a video of the NRM Secretary General presiding over, drills themselves. These people were doing real drills, singing military songs, doing formations. Police is silent about it. So do not justify this kind of impunity, this kind of violence by blaming the victims. What we should be doing is to come together as the people of Uganda to fight all these crimes against humanity and not trying to justify them in any way.
Both Rubongoya and the Kazinda family are concerned that the judiciary is just looking on as these injustices continue. Joram Paul Sonko, NTV Tonight.
Most recent ruckus and suppression of elections.